What's going on, guys? It's Chris from Warrior-Soul, and today I want to talk to you about a little known fact, and that is that the U.S. Department of Defense is putting millions of dollars of research into ketosis, understanding how to get warfighters into ketosis, and understanding how to utilize ketosis for performance. Now, why is this? It's because a lot of guys who are out there on the battlefield were loading up their rucksacks with ammunition rather than food. And what was happening was a lot of them were dropping in glucose levels. And when that happens, you're not as alert, you're not as aware, and you're not able to perform. But with ketosis, you're actually fueling yourself with your own fat stores. This is a really awesome part of our human evolution. We all have the ability to increase our mental and physical performance by burning our own fat stores. And here's the thing, despite the fact that for decades the medical establishment has been bad-mouthing fat, new scientific research is demonstrating that fats are actually good for us. But there's a problem when it comes to ketosis. It's becoming really, really popular right now. And so what we've got out there are a lot of people giving a lot of shortcuts and a lot of bad advice. So we wanted to create Warrior-Soul-Keto-Camp as a way to deliver the knowledge about how to do ketosis the right way. And so we're not just here to teach you how to burn fat, how to look good. We want you to perform at your best and feel like $1 million. You're going to feel absolutely amazing on this diet. And so we've included so much knowledge in this course, not just about getting into ketosis, but also about balancing your hormones, also about protecting your brain, which is so important for performance. If you're an athlete, or if you're serving in the military, or if you're just living a normal everyday life, one of the things that we all have to be concerned about is whether or not we're going to go senile as we get older. A lot of people are losing their brain power as they get older, when in fact the opposite should be true. I've had so many experts on my podcast come on and talk about the power of the human brain to grow as we get older. So this course is not just going to help you to look good. It's not just going to help you to perform better. It's also going to help you to feel better and to become more mentally aware. And that's what's important to us here at Warrior Soul. Now, if you take this course, you're not just getting Warrior Soul Keto Camp, you're also getting our basic Warrior Soul Fitness course. And with everything we do, we have a lock-tight 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you take the course and you go through all the modules and you don't like it, we wanted to give you 2 months just for that. If you don't like it, we will give you your money back. You're also going to get lots of support on a private Facebook group, and you can always hit me up if you ever need any advice. So I want to see you guys in this course. There's so much in here that can help you out. There's so much in here that can help you to live your best life and perform at your best. So if you have any questions, just email me over at info@warriorsoulapparel.com. I'm always happy to answer anything, or you can hit me up on social media. I'll talk to you guys soon, and I hope to see you in the course.